Usikana kukaisa apa makumbo angandogara.
Dzinza rako nodiwa nemabhebhi.
Nemabhebhi kana na Bob. Utari kutamba nare.
Uri dzinza raBobo.
Nobva hameki.
Hameki ani kuenda usiku mali.
Handina kuvhaya. Sidze yangu anonditextira. Yakarorwa iko.
Saka wakadi ungoenda.
Aiwa ndiende ndega. Ndichanotora mukwasha. Wasamukange akanditora wani.
Samukange.
Gavhena ka. Takatombositana naye.
Iyo Samukange asiri first guy kupiwa license kunwa ningi.
Tara Stanley ana ndimba. Tara gavhena ka mama.
Ndiano.
Say Nelson. Takatogara iko ka mini.
Nelson Chicha.
Ibras.
Lazem. Okay, saka unonzani? Stara ko je.
Samukange. Waseto stara ngwe.
Ayo, ndoza last name yako nonzi Samukange.
But David,
this is nokuti Honda.
Kandi unondiketa. Uno ndo stara ngwe.
Ayo, rimwe rezita rangu.
Katizvo.
Unonzi zita rako je?
Zita rangu is David Ribachitu.
David and
David Tendai Samukange.
Oh, kuenda wakazonzi Honda.
Ndikaziye ndimi kama onzi. Iwe wakazonzi minoxi wakapiwa namunhu zvako. Nai. Anobvunza zvaanoziya.
Aiwa, ndikuda kuziyawo.
Igeto lingo kaita.
Geto lingo.
Ukaya kubasa kwanga kuti Honda aundioni.
Atikoni.
Aundiketi.
But vakuziziya.
Havaziziyi.
Kana mukadzi wako
mukadzi wangu anozviketa.
Pandakatanga tichisvika chiti Honda vakamugeta. Munhu akutora chimududu.
Hauna kumurespecta kaangadezvo.
Handina kumurespecta nji saka uda kuti nditsvageiona. Sara kundatanga kutoriziya nhasi.
Nhasi wamuribvunza. Handisi necessary kwauri.
Nhano hana wenda neuchikoro kai.
Kazandutana. Kana kuenda neuchikoro ndanokuita naAsha isa.
Asha ichi.
Asha nickname.
Asha Peanuts.
Asha Peanuts. Sara kanonzi
Peanuts. Peso but rajaira ndiri. Peso mwale.
Tanga kusongi tabvunza mazano mazano Peso mwale.
But you what Asha ka? Asha Peanuts.
Toda tinokuti Asha Peanuts. Tamiti nzunguka.
Nemajemburo. Majembure. Zviri sei? Munomuziya here mukomana? Uyu.
Ndizidze rangu. Long bag.
Long.
Nai.
Oh. Chimogirita kavanhu vari fori.
Wapona.
Vaunoziya?
Ndogirita kaiwe.
Inini ndinewe kavanhu.
Inogirita nani. Inogirita chimoko changu nemudhoni wangu. Ndo mafesi angu ke. Kwaona my best friends.
Kwaona mafesi ari fori.
Ingotamboona zvavana farai mapopo.
Chasi
farai mapopo embi.
Ari Nivo emunateja.
Ari Nivo emunateja na Asha.
Uyo weparona umuziye.
Ndomuziya.
Anonzani? Sinatra.
Sinatra used to be my friend. We used to bob dance together. We had our club, which was top in Harare.
Sinatra asimpana sere kwawo.
Man, he was young, yes, but he was part of our group.
Wepazindoga size yenyu kwa anonzani.
He was part of our group.
Wepazindoga.
Group
anonzani ko. Wepazindoga anonzani.
Some of my friends are no longer here. Some are foreign, some are late.
Ndida kuti umorese vari foreign.
Vari foreign. There is Pesi Magodo.
Ariko.
He's in the United States. Victor Mshoriwa in the UK. Those are people who are very close to me.
Kongwara angasiri friend.
Kongwara was not my friend, he was just a partner. A drinking and smoking partner.
In the level of vibes friend.
And level of vibes friend. The level of vibes. But we used to go to all level vibes shows at the A1, Small X. Those are some of the founders of Small X.
Small XG.
Small X sound system.
Oh, yani.
Yeah, Farai. Farai Shambari.
Okay.
Yeah. We used to call him Selector. Even when we played social soccer, we say Selector. He was very fond of soccer, but no. It wasn't into him. It wasn't into him. He would say, player, give me the ball. You give him the ball and then you lose it. It was not hard working. It was just for refreshment after the dance. Because we normally left the dance at around 4 a.m. It was 7 o'clock for the playing soccer, and you can see the dizziness, the tiredness.
And is it?
Yeah.
Chititaurira ikati imimi handiti munoziya zvedance.
Dance ndinoziziya. I grew up in the dance. I used to move around with the sound masters. Great of them, the Jabi, the ND, you know the ND.
And Africa,
yeah, Africa, yeah. The NDs, and our MCs was the Alan Rangs. Toga Bantan, you know, that I feel the guy, Culture Tea and
the Paradise.
And the Paradise, Paradise is one of them. Where is, I don't know where Paradise is. I'm not sure.
But I'm
not sure about Alan. Because it's been a long time since I saw him.
I'm not December,
I saw it so soon.
But in
because Muna Alonso, the Papa knew you know, I got a message I said, you know, the guy was quiet. I think Mukunuaka, I'm one of you know, Yapana Vina. Because whenever you come to Katina, get a Turamaches.
Or a chitty tower out dance Akatanga.
I'm not sure of the year, but it was just in the 80s, early 80s. When we used to go to White Dub.
They found the original dancehall sound in Zimbabwe.
I'm not sure, but A1 dominated. A1 sound.
Africa A1.
Africa A1.
International.
Because I was a friend of Jerry, you know Jerry?
Jerry Scratch. Yes. Frontline sound.
Yeah, frontline sound. I don't know whether he's still alive.
90 years old, but
Jerry was a friend of my cousin, Sketchley, the son of the late professor. They were very close in the Dambos of marriage. I would normally meet them in the park, writing songs and so on.
Dandaro Rockers, you know, I
say I know that. But they're just quiet, you know. Are they alive or they are foreign?
Dandaro Rockers,
yes, it was Ferguson. I remember I was introduced to Dandaro Rockers by. There was this guy, this drug dealer in Ferguson. What was his name? Yeah, he introduced me to Dandaro Rockers.
Unit.
Unity
sound.
Yeah, Unity sound.
And cannot just do this.
This is some other guy.
And a Ziwa.
Yeah,
but Queen's Garden just across.
Ziwa and Jasan. He's the one who introduced me to Danda.
You could see Jasan.
Jasan was Ziwa.
Josiah.
There was a case. There was a case that happened with Jasan. Yeah. He robbed some European golfers of a bag of clubs. But that golfer was left-handed. So when he sold them, he was easily caught. Jasan.
What did you go?
No, I don't think that. I know the flag was a person. They are gone. Motsuruka, yes, it was again. But it originated from, I think, Mavuko or something like that.
Majembure, where did you originate from?
Me.
You?
In Zimbabwe.
Oh. Cookies.
Kubika.
Nasi mukuru aipi ndeipi special?
Nasi ndine T-bone and fish and chicken.
Okay.
And rice.
Right.
And
Sadza, don't leave
Sada
is what we came from.
Yes,
Tsunga, okay. That is my special.
That is my special.
I've ordered that Tsunga and I've waited for it.
Oh. Saka, since me Magabuda same sound.
I didn't leave the sound. It's only that I went to school in very far away. So it was down, I can tell you. And I even went to Blawan. Their beat was to dub for me. It was that hard dub. In the gone days of the dub, you had to go.
Madaba LKJ
and LKJ and
scientist
Nick Alive dub. I said this is
Linval Johnson.
Yes,
Linval Johnson.
The Nick Alive dubs.
The Black Hacking dub.
The only vibe that came into me was this my friend McGregor tune. Was the rest where I had it dub. Yeah.
Scientist dub blending.
Scientist, you know the scientist. But that dub is the first kind of music that I got used to when I was at Ghana. I used to have LPs of those
dubs.
So I didn't want that.
Black wool.
Black wool.
Jesus coming to dinner.
Linton Kwesi Johnson, London is a beach.
England is a beach.
Tabarukas in the like. But they were great, those people.
They
were great, I can tell you. I wish sometimes there is a dance of all those legends.
No talk on Akushita, but Danano.
I mean, you see what they do in jazz. There is a club that plays jazz for the old, for the gurus, for the legends.
Toda kuzvita ndinazvo zvese. Ini ndina the music yese ndinayo.
But of course these sounds are popular, but
Makunzwa Movado manje.
Movado.
Na all
I
color.
can't listen to Movado.
Why?
He doesn't inspire me.
Na Vibes Cartel.
Vibes Cartel, of course, sometimes. Vibes Cartel.
Na Kokoti.
The Michael Prophet. You see, I was a fan of Michael Prophet. I used to enjoy
Michael Prophet ndiyambomona ka studio. Abanyanisa labasa.
But
bandira akasaka na set.
The
England ku Rough Cut studio.
Yeah, I know.
12 Donovan Crescent. I heard with the building yaje yakatopazwa kwa kune studio ya Rough Cut.
Yeah, because nobody innovator.
Yakatopazwa. Because Stonebridge yaje too thuggish. Yeah, too thuggish.
Yeah, I understand, but I used to visit them.
No, Anafara, they used to go to HQ. I don't know the HQ Ichiriko.
Okay.
Because no one talks about HQ.
HQ no. The Sugar Mine notes. Those are my place.
You like Sugar Mine?
Yeah, Sugar Mine.
But Timbiraga number one got Sugar Mine notes.
There are so many, but it's long since I've heard them.
Yeah, I'm gonna go see about this herb man. Aslin.
Herb man Aslin.
Yeah.
He's one of them. That was a great song.
Postang.
That was a great song. That was a great. They were great.
I Alberto. Ugro wa ipi ugro wa. Unajikiswa makonye sekuseka. Amani. I'm a busy guy. Amani. Makatsamwa ka. Azvidi. Nai, majembure. Mukadzi yakatsamwa, yakatsamwa iri. Anditi.
But Cocoa tea remains my favorite.
Cocoa tea.
I attended this show when it came.
Oh.
It was great. I was with Farai. I did a lot of girls. Maybe he was afraid of Hukuhan.
Cocoa tea had a lot of girls in Farai. Farai had a lot of girls.
I had a lot of girls. I couldn't talk to him. Just say, Baba, how is it? I couldn't say. But we had a nice time. He gave me $5.
And a case.
So sometimes I wonder, when these guys, they go and play with his full team, they said, how was he? They said, he had a lot of cash. And I said, if I were there, then you would have been spoiled with the beer. But they did.
Listen,
he comes. He's his friend. Last weekend, Briggs was looking for him. He wanted to take him to Farai.
Oh.
Farai is around.
Yeah, he's around.
He's around. But he's loaded. Simple, but loaded. And he likes money.
Simple and naughty.
He likes money. Whenever he comes, I just meet him. He says, Baba, how are you?
I don't got up for it.
I don't know who
I was a Whistling. I was around Mobile.
I said, Farai,
come on a mountain, you know. How do you go mountain? Marasta, I don't know what about Farai.
Last time, yes, Baba. Come research, Jagami.
Testa tamboonana.
Latina kasakana
Rasta.
Tulise ngombotola video.
Rasta wangu mpana wangu Rasta.
Naika.
Mpana wako ni
kwa house. Iwe ndizana na bangu kai. Ngulola mbele age. Oh, saka no kata mabezi.
Banda oro 15 no
utindiro ere ko 5. Bati no kukula.
Oh.
Nai Rasta. Bati no kukula.
Arda ndelera.
Ko mfukisa. Ngapaka mama Rasta. Kai gara mna 30. And ke utambana na age. Kai gara mna 30 so. Kami kwa gara mna 30. Afama kama kachimoko kakanaka zokuti. Mchimoko chacho.
Mfeso wacho Rasta.
Hawezi kwa station.
Marasta
mpana. Kulo kama chamba ka. Konzi gara ni chamba chamba. Time koma. Koma tosunga ile mko.
Bado uzimpana yaji.
Hanga singadi. Akakala kakule kule.
Na majembuli. Mukade uzimpana ile.
Ni munhu mudiki kwa munhu. Seka ni munhu mukuru mutimpana nyini. Seka munhu mzaki. Bile seka ya dressa kwa. Ukwaronzi.
I was the baby to you.
Amba ngokuti impana.
Angandiki. But I had the kushibata.
Asibata kana zana
She
yake.
looks older than me.
Pakamutamba na megronga kapata akura stere.
Almost 10.
Oh, eh. Meta club yema widows, how is it? Hands Widows Club, but you know Maria Blazon. Zakaiba.
Maria Plus Adam.
Who you were Denny?
Adam.
I want to say
Abraham.
I don't say it. I hear it. Adam, they are not dead.
Arigo.
Agava. I can't have Maria. I can't go down. He died mysteriously.
You're done with Zwembe.
Dear Adam. I want him as Adam is the other one.
Adam Danga is tough one.
Adam, we have Tavana sticks. Is a sticks look alike.
And it is I'm going to tough. I'm going to that.
He's in Italy right now. Okay.
We are in Hebet. Hebet some kind.
He's Agatamana Post. Yeah, Agatamana Post. I don't put him back.
I am giving
Our Benz are also living back. Garani Zia.
Garani Maria.
Can't ever let anything of Zing goes out of the game.
Oh, I don't know.
You are good to touch again on myself. Who is that?
Do
Calls again.
Oh, and the Jiri paid.
Oh,
The Jiri
Sakataja Mari.
Shagai.
And I'm boys again.
I want
Eh, Bandaka set up. Don't know Chila.
No, that's really. So, good to know them that you are on Gisamara. I don't say that I would do.
How has it done? How change us?
The people, my people, I pay.
I haven't said
You know, say that
it was there.
Oh, no, say that.
Can I have the pay?
Can I see go inside the $1? Machambure? $1 T-bone steak.
Yes.
Yeah. But the kitchen here, you might, hey. I see them with a pendi.
I don't know. They are paid up.
Can I pend up lake?
Yeah, bitumen, the amazing. It is of a flow with Mazira.
Can I must speak and never speaker?
It will last. He has a must speaker. It will last bitumen. Jazara never showed know that. Can you pick a pen?
Kana we are not Girangi Sadzo, Lupaseru. Edi before. I know what Girasa, I would Girasa that she's animal.
$3 there. I don't
Sakangwa to Benda.
Mulana, you love him. You know, good hours.
Saka pere vano go for no domos.
Well, I'm going to go to the woman on the Ivy. I'm in UK. A woman, my sister who is a doctor in Switzerland.
Yeah,
she's a doctor. She came for my wedding. Unfortunately, you were away.
I was
that was a class wedding.
Don't tell me I was here. Not invited.
You were not
invited.
Bookings had already been.
Let me tell you something.
Yes, tell me.
I was here way before. Ndakauya ndakadzokera. This how did we chat?
Dile never said she was my best.
I'm not on this list yenyu.
I'm sorry for that. Because I was very.
Makano chatira kumikuzi. Wakanga
na
amene kwakamanga chatira ukuti
wakazi yakuchechika hiyo.
Ndakaya kuchechika.
But why didn't you come?
Ndisina kuinvite kwandi mapreti anga kaverengwa.
You are a great man, you know.
Ayo mapreti enyanga kaverengwa ke. Andi anga batona by plates.
Anga batona by plates.
Ende munhu wese angane zita pa table.
I'm sorry.
Sure. Vangane mazita pa table.
But I can tell you that woman is great.
But hanzi about 6-7 wana vana kuita show up. Ndepata usangane mukadzi wako panobosa. Achintaura dai wakauya pane masitsi maplace takabhadhara mahari. She told me and I came to your house.
Oh, but it didn't see me.
I was seeing you. I was seeing you.
But it didn't.
I did my Jillian and my steps. I'm not invited. You can't even.
You see where I'm going now. I said I'm sorry.
You are
so
sorry.
Many things, you know.
You are sorry. You have to take me to Crown Plaza. You are invited to Crown fork and knife Crown Plaza. Mom's not what
all the people slept in the hotel.
Mom's not what this is it my duty?
Ayo,
panetwa wedding reception ngaya kuti before.
No, it is not that kind of money.
Manje makarasika makasara.
But it's never late.
Kana ukuchechi kundatadza kana upiwa chikafu ndakarambidzwa kupinda pagate. Ndiri rasta. Kudai so. Zvakanzi hamuna kuinvitwa ndimana. Ndikukutaura ndatadza kuchitika.
I'm sorry, I didn't know.
Oh, you didn't know, but wakandoona kababa.
I saw you. I thought everything was covered.
Covered.
I was happy to see you.
Aiwa, murikuonaka. Mother, muchato uyu kauyu. Asiri akachatiswa nasisi vake.
Saka panga paine limited number.
Sisi wake ndo wanga ane mari, ndo wanga ane muchato.
No,
Saka limited
number. Because it was of a kind.
Wedding was his plan.
But I just
but my finances. It was the sister from where?
From Switzerland. She's in Switzerland now. Dr. Faith Samgang.
My way.
She's a lecturer at one of the most prestigious hotels in the world.
Oh, you know she's
a Swiss International Hotel.
Faith is some kind.
Yeah. The celebrities go there for holiday. People like Beckham, you name them.
Okay.
She's a lecturer now.
Nice.
She teaches there.
Okay.
That's where she is. Okay. And we talk to her.
Man, I know more than
you see.
No.
You are still very young, my brother. You are not even 50. How can you say that? She has plans to visit Zimbabwe very soon. I can't remember, but over 50, almost 50. She's old.
Old woman.
Old,
like this one.
Old, beautiful, with lots of cash.
She's just because she has cash. Machambure. You are an old woman.
Old woman for what?
For marriage and love.
Love, do you know love got no old or young?
Let me tell you, she's recently married.
You think I can make love because I'm old?
Of course, who says so? Love will never die. She's recently married with a Cameroonian. They are coming to visit me very soon. How can you say it's possible? The guy is called Raps.
But I got chamber.
Who is here?
Amen.
Want to go now? You better make a 17 years.
Kwani.
17-year-old. You don't tell me that.
Yeah, 16-year-old.
You think I can make love? Because I'm 69.
You can still make love.
Yes. Why not?
Try it.
Andikudzikisira ndangozia kuti zvichiri kufunction.
What do you function?
She's not yet dead.
Ropa richiri kudziya.
Zvakaipa, danger. What a hot chips are saying with Zera, what danger. What beans is there?
Yawenzera incident. Ndei. Yechembere yake anokanga. Ndiyo.
Yakampe. Vanokunanzvisa kamajembera mweza.
Ananzvisa.
Hauzizivi.
Beans izo.
Ndogame yakuitwa kamazana.
But vachaenda kusebhi.
Nabasa. Vatofuri ndo vatopa hoti kamani. Was it ever? Always. 24/7. Say them. Shasha inoziva kapinda mutonga zvinepa here.
Unase.
Kutembere.
Tine mari.
Unokanyengera kachembere. Unokanyengera. Kana kanga ngechirungu. Hake chiboy akazoita.
Hake chirungu kapera. Chirungu anofuna kaganda uya. Nechirungu atite. Muri kuti machembiza tokapenga. Ainga 323 kake. Asingamunitsi.
Ayigara wafo ndio.
Ndakavunduka nebo.
Ndiko. Kwana borodera wazo kwana.
Borodera akuzo.
Ndiko ana adiku.
Ndiko masibroke ndiko madhunyazi kako.
Borodera ndiko madhunyazi.
Madhunyazi ka borodera. Unoona munhu ari right borodera. Anokumbuka madhire mari chete. There is no life in borodera, I can tell you. I once stayed in borodera. In about October, November. Because mwana wa blaza wangu anedheniko murume wacho is a foreigner. Is a Congolese. Anosedza kumaworld zvotoka nechisaka ane mari. But she is lonely. Nendona akagara ndoda haga yangu yanodori nemusic yake.
Saka masiproke zvichirei. Masiproke.
Azviite kamani. Hazvina spark. They don't know love. Handizveko. Avazive love. Vanoda kunotengerwa machicken liquid machichi. But no love.
Vachikodya mayogurt.
Ambori requesta kuti handi kulaini ndichapaki or what no. Chakungoro wangu chitida kwenda Dubai. Ndoenda Dubai, ndokwenda Zuda. Chinoiwana hapana. Mafera acho mamari extraordinary. Asingatengeki. Ungati munhu ane weave $500. What do vene muno makurera yakapaka
$6
$30
Kana
anoro msalunu yake nokopekwa kunzi ja kuti wange tiredza minuzi anotyisa
saka unombowa masalad unombowa
kuite they are not natural wanoita ka extra artificial life artificial life mazinews akadai mahombe kune vamwe anokurera manews akanaka kuti kana kwaona achimecha nemavhengosi aine shoti anotera nemaieni inazoadzize natural woman.
Okay. Saka mari inopengesa.
Too much money makes people crazy. Too much money is not good for anyone.
Too much of anything is good for nothing.
If a young man of 20, 21 gets a lot of money, that is the end of his life.
Kose winke omnomzia.
It's a winke, no.
Ichi chekubhadhara mukamwana akawina kakadyiwa big brother kabuda naro kaka chine mari kachimbhadhara
mari kabati agona kuishandisa
akuita dhafu
they can't put that money
inovava that's why chiti zidhafu
he just have one child that man would have benefited grade 1, 2, 3 of kilos their fees they will be enough but he wanted to get recognition because of one child.
Anendisa mwana kwe $2,000 apa pachirozo vaibhadhirwa $5 $15
vana they are going hungry. You can buy them juice from Lion's Meat, the 5 liters. They will enjoy it, drink for at least a day. That is great. They must give back to charity where they grew up. A lot of big guns grew up in Mbale, but go to Mbale. What did you see? Have you noticed their grounds, their shopping centers, their playgrounds? Even at schools, there is nothing. They are just going by grace.
We have ministers.
We have our own webs who grew up in Sananga. There is Guruneri.
Guruneri akaisa mabagla
that's why, but it wasn't enough. All right. We have I'm just talking of prominent people in politics and government, isn't it? There is
Dr.
Mandishona. Akadzidza kuti
panharira
anogara
kudarika kuborodhero
akusiri kwakunzi
we also have
Philadelphia.
We also have Hebet Murerwa,
Dr. Mandishona na anonzani kwa kuma passport.
This one, the minister.
Uyu. Mdede akakurira muno makafunda akapinda paBaptist Church.
He was married to the Manjimutsiras.
Mdede akakurira muno makafunda.
They are quite a number. Okay, we want to go to sports. We have the legendary George Shire, we have Sticks Mtizwa. There are so many. Musicians, we have the great one, Thomas Mapfumo was born and bred in Mbale.
And Chris Chabuka.
Chris Chabuka, yes.
Chris Chabuka,
the late Chris Chabuka. Jethro Shasha.
Kwamwezo anoti Mapfumo aigara.
No, agara muna. No, uzwane wewe.
Namchira ona.
Hanza agara marondera kudombo tombo kuya.
Dala chini mwanamdika. I can tell you, he is related to the Rice's people. When the mother died, I remember Lakson Rice talking to Thomas Mapfumo. He said, I am not allowed to go back because of so and so. The mother's clothes, we took them to Monoro. Grew up here. But although he's so called, even if he claims, listen, if he claims that he's in exile, he's so called exile. But what has he done for the people of Mbale? Nothing. What has he done? Just being great big in America. But you came from Mbale. So you see, I don't really know. The people of Mbale, they don't want to give back. And they want to associate themselves with the suburb they are staying in. But they came from here. Yeah, they are not. I'm really worried. I'm really worried they don't give back. whom do they want to improve the situation of Mbare? Mbare was dead, but now I cannot even classify it. You cannot call it dead. It's not a place for someone to live in, as we speak. But they came from those areas. They know our problems. They know our problems.
I didn't want to pay this doctor.
Yes. There are a lot of grades. There are a lot of grades, really.
Yes.
Kana uya anonzani Mashindu. Mashindu akakurira una chota. Dr. Mashindu munomziva.
Yes, I know Dr. Mashindu. There are so many of them, but they don't just want. We appeal to them that they form an organization that some of them they don't want to be. They don't want to be associated with the marriage. You know that. If they cannot, if they cannot start helping Mbare now, who will do that? Who?
But voice yenyu chanzwikwa.
I know. I'm not afraid of that. I used to
voice zvamuri kutaura. I hope chadzokera kwavanhu zvinzwa.
I had formed an organization of residents of Mbare, but I was let down by the Mbare grades. They could not understand my vision, but they knew. I could not even access all these halls, you know, not the ground.
Still that wall.
Yes, I could not access them. But all I wanted was for them to leave the ground to the people of Mbare. We do not have funds, but we can source for funds. Initially, when they constructed this complex was for the people of Mbare, but it has been taken away from us. And what is happening? What is happening? Just imagine. Even our hall, the hall that the president comes when a hero dies, it's pathetic. It's pathetic.
Mr. Robert,
yes, Mr. Robert. When people used to eat that soup, but it's gone. It's not because the money is not there, but the people do not want to support their community.
Kana swimming pool yedi.
Yes.
Since now Bagafa is going down.
Yeah.
No one angane love ne pool yadi.
But what did they give him? Nothing. They did not even watch. That's where we came from. But not even a medal or a certificate of recognition, nothing. As if there was no way.
But when you say no go to nowhere, but I don't know George Hartley.
George Hartley.
I see come.
George Hartley swimming pool, but
I see nowhere. But what did you work for? Our children, they don't know nowhere. It's also good to say we're honored with the classes of swimming and all. And some of us are very good swimmers. That's how they career. But I can jump into any pool today.
And it?
Yes.
Yeah, I might have.
Okay. Thanks, Milos.
Chingomoresa sister go faith.
Well, before I leave, I will say hi to Faith. She's sweet to me. And she's my dearest. I love you with all my heart. And all other people that I grew up with them, that I know in Bali. We are struggling, but we are surviving. I just wish one day one of these so-called Mbare grades should do something from that. And that is my wish. I am really...
With ministers, with doctors.
Yes, doctors.
With lawyers, generals, lawyers.
All walks of life.
And